Nkechi, you will be sacrificed tomorrow night.
The gods of our land will protect me.
You will wait for them in vain.
Igwe Nkechi is not for sacrifice. Release her.
Why am I paying you? You will stand and someone will come and insult me. I order you to go after her. The girl must be sacrificed this night.
You cannot sacrifice this girl. It is your destiny to defeat the Igwe. The secret he wants to keep hidden forever will be revealed this night. What secret, Ezenwanyi? The reason why the moon turned to blood. He killed his brother, your father, and buried him on that stone altar. He killed his brother, your father, and buried him on that stone altar. He sacrificed a virgin every year to keep himself in power. Your sacrifice was your blood to keep the secret hidden forever through the witches of Okondo. Now that the sacrifice has failed, you will release the spirit of your father for the final defeat of Igwe. Be fortified, go. Okay, Osisi, come out! Be free to fight your brother Igwe.